I just want to give a big thank you to our two newest members on the channel, Tiara Nicole and Live TV. Thank you guys so much for joining. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below my videos. If you're an iOS user, click the link in the info box and you'll be able to sign up from there. Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these Pixie Peach nails with bling and encapsulated flowers. So for this look, I'm using the Long Hair Pretty Nails Clear Pixie Peach and White Acrylic, along with these dried flowers and the Angel Glitter, and also the Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 Oval Kolinsky brush. So for this set, I'm going to be sculpting them using these competitive edge double thick nail forms, and I'm just going to apply these to all of my nails. Once I have all the nail forms on, I'm just going to go in with my acrylic application. So I do have on the peel off base coat because I'm not going to keep these on long. So that's why I'm not going in with primer or dehydrator or anything like that. But anyway, I went in with a small bead of the white acrylic and I'm just going to form the tip of the nail. This pinky fingernail is going to be a ombre, so of course I like to work on the tip first and then we'll do the Pixie Peach at the nail bed area and make that a nice ombre transition. Also, I don't want this nail to be too thick and I also want it to be, you know, smooth and stuff so I don't have to do too much filing. So I am taking my time while I'm applying this. So I applied the first bead of the Pixie Peach right above where the white starts, and I'm just going to lightly feather that over the white. And then I finish off with my cuticle bead and I'm just going to work that in place. As you can see, this side is a little bit sparse, so I need to go in with just a tiny bead of that Pixie Peach just to fill in the dip here. So yeah, as you can see, I don't have any set number of, 4-ball method, 3-ball method. I just do however many beads it takes to get the nail right. So once I like the blend of the ombre, I'm just going to encapsulate this nail with clear just to make sure I don't file any of that beautiful ombre while, I do my shaping and filing. So for my ring fingernail, I'm just going to start off with a thin base of clear acrylic. Next, I'm taking a wet bead of white and I'm just going to smear that over the nail, trying to create like a marble type swirl thing going on here. And I do the same thing with a wet bead of the Pixie Peach. And then I'm just applying that angel glitter randomly to the nail. And all of this is very thin because we're going to be capping this nail. Okay, so next I'm going in with the IBD brush on nail glue, and then I apply my dried flour and hold it in place, making sure all of those petals are pressed very flat to the nail. Alright, so once the flowers are adhered, I just go ahead and encapsulate the whole nail with clear acrylic. Alright, so for the middle fingernail, this is just going to be a full clear nail, so I'm just going to build this up with the clear acrylic. Alright, so for the index finger, this is just going to be a full nail of the Pixie Peach acrylic. All right, so this is after all of the acrylic has dried, and now I'm going to take off these nail forms. These nail forms are really sticky, so they are pretty hard to get off, but you know, that's a good thing. I rather have a hard time taking them off than, you know, trying to keep them on while I'm working. So, but yeah, I really like these. Yeah, I have to fight to get these off. All right, so now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. And as always, I like to start off with my hand file, and then I finish off with my e-file around the cuticle areas. And as you can see, I'm using my brand new nail dust collector. I do have a video on this I will leave in the cards. So this is after all of the hand filing is done, and I'm just going to finish up with my medium grit safety bit around the cuticle areas. And I just like to do this because it just gives that nice cuticle area nice and flush with the nail. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with a large bead of the clear acrylic, and I'm going to adhere these large crystals, and then going in with a slightly smaller bead of clear, and I'm adhering this iridescent heart, and this is available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So now I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and we're just going to apply this to all of the nails. I just love when the top coat hits this clear nail. It just looks so good. So before I cure, I'm just gonna go in and apply these small iridescent crystals. And I'm just trying to do, I don't know, kind of like a crisscross design. And these crystals are available on my website. Link to everything will be down below. And also just cleaning up any of the cuticle areas before I cure. Once the nails have cooled down a bit, I'm just gonna apply my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I love how these nails turned out. This is such a soft nail design. I love the super blingy nail and the flowers. I just love everything about this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.